Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see an example that if like this any linear congruence equation is given, like 14x is congruent to 12 mod 18, here it is given. How to find out the value of x in this solution, in this equation, how to find out the value of x. We are going to solve it. We have, in the previous video you can refer, I have already posted two videos. In the first video we have seen the steps that how to perform, how to find out the value of x in such examples. And in the second video we have discussed one small example in detail. Okay, if you have not seen those yet, see that once. I will also share the link in the description. After seeing that, see this one, so you will get a detailed idea. Okay, so let's start solving it. So the basic format or the general format of the linear congruence equation is ax is congruent to b mod n. I am assuming that you will see those steps first, that video first. So you will be having all the steps already. You will be having all the steps, and here you can see that we will follow one by one step. Okay, so first one is comparing this equation, given equation, with the general format. General format is ax is congruent to b mod n. So comparing, we will get that the value of a is 14. In our case, value of b is 12 and value of n is 18. Fine. So here we are getting first of all the value of a, b and n. After getting the value of a, b and n, we will start performing our steps. So what the first step is, you can refer from that video. You can take a snapshot or you can note it down somewhere. It will be easier for you to understand. Okay. So the first step we were having was finding the GCD of a and n. First step, let me write it here for you. In the first step, what we will do is we will find out the value of GCD of a comma n, GCD of a comma n, and we will, whatever we will get, we will name it as d. So here we will have to find the GCD of 14 comma n, that is 18, 14 comma 18. You can find GCD with the help of various methods. We are having Euclidean method, extended Euclidean method. You can find out directly. Okay, so you can choose your own way, but here the numbers are small, 14 and 18, so we can directly say that the GCD of 14 and 18 is 2. The greatest common divisor that can divide 14 as well as 18 is 2. So I got the value of d as 2. Alright, this is my first step. The second step is we have to perform b by d, and whatever answer I will get, we can say that if I can, by b by d, if I am getting one whole answer, exact answer, I can say that the solution exists, otherwise solution doesn't exist. So b by d is equal to, in my case, b is 12, d we have found out as 2, so 12 divided by 2 we are getting 6. It is a complete number, so I can say that yes, solution does exist. We have found out that solution exists. Now how many solution exist? For that we are having third step. The formula is d mod n. We will find out d mod n, and whatever answer we will get, those many solutions are possible, right? Solutions are possible means those many values of x we can find out. So here d mod n, that is equal to, d is, in our case, d is, we have found out d is 2, d mod n is 18. So 2 mod 18, 2 is a smaller number, so we will get 2 as it is. 2 mod 18 is 2, so I can say that 2 solutions exist. 2 solutions, what I mean by 2 solution exist? 2 solution exist means at the end I will get 2 values of x, right? So this is my third step. Fourth step says that divide both the sides by d. Divide both the sides by d. Divide both the sides by d. So both the sides by d means, by default my equation that is already given. So it was 14x is congruent to 12 mod 18, right? Now what I have to do is I have to divide both the sides by d. In my case, d is 2. So I will divide both the sides, all the numbers by 2. So dividing them, what I will get is, I will get 7x is congruent to 6 mod 9. Right, I will get this equation that 7x is congruent to 6 mod 9. Now I have got this in the 4th step. So from the 5th step I will take this equation and I will carry out. This is my 4th step. Then in the 5th step what I will do is, in the 5th step I am having, you take those steps, take those steps with you so you can get a clear idea. Though I am writing the steps, okay, from here up to here, we have done up to the 4th step, dividing both the sides by d. Okay, after dividing both the sides by d, what my 5th step would be, multiply both the sides by multiplicative inverse of a. Multiply both the sides by multiplicative inverse of a. By multiplicative inverse of a, right? So the equation that we got in the previous step is 7x is congruent to 6 mod 9, right? The equation that we have already found out, 7x is congruent to 6 mod 9. So we will multiply, in this equation we will multiply both the sides with a inverse, that is 7 inverse. So because our a is 7, so what I will do is 7 into 7 inverse of x is congruent to 6 into 7 inverse of mod 9. What I have done, I have not done anything that big. I have just multiplied a inverse, that is 7 inverse, both the sides, right? So then here, as you know, 7 inverse will get cancelled out. We will get only x this side is congruent to. Now this is quite difficult to find. I will not say difficult. If you are new, it will be difficult for you. But see, what we have to find is, we have to find out the value of 7 inverse and we will replace it here. Now how to find out the value of 7 inverse? I have already posted a video of how to find out the multiplicative inverse with the help of extended Euclidean method. So that is one of the very good ways how you can find out this easily. Okay, like you won't get confused much. You can, with the help of that method, finding, you can search my video on finding multiplicative inverse with the help of extended Euclidean method. So you can get the multiplicative inverse. So with the help of that method you can find the multiplicative inverse of 7 inverse. Apart from that, if I tell you a simple, like quickly how you can find out, shortcut kind of thing. So how this can be interpreted, you can interpret this as 7 into anything like x mod n. Let's not, here we are having x, so let's take it anything else like a, b or anything. Let's take it as c. Okay, 7 into c mod n, you should get this as 1. Okay, you can interpret it like this, that 7 into c, 7 means because 7 inverse we have to find out, so 7 into c mod n should be equal to 1. So 7 into c, this c is something, c would be 7 inverse, that you have to find out. Mod, what the value of n is, as we know, this is ax congruent to b mod n. So in this case my n is 9 equal to 1. So what I mean to say is, you have to find such a value of 7, that such a value of c, that after multiplying this value with 7 and finding the mod of 9 on it, you will get the value 1. Simple. You can simply use try and error. One method, as I've already told, you can see that method, or you can directly apply that method and get the answer. If you don't want to waste that much of time, it will take quite good amount of time. If you want to do it directly, you can do directly also. This is the method how you can do directly. 7 into c mod 9, this mod 9 equal to 1, means we have to do kind of try and error, and we have to find a value of c such that after multiplying c with 7 and finding out mod n, we will get 1. So if I see, let me show you how you can do. let's take c equal to 1. If I am taking c equal to 1, 7 into 1, that is equal to 7 mod 9. 7 mod 9 will be equal to 7. So it will not be equal to 1. If I am taking c equal to 2, 7 into 2 would be 14 mod 9 would be equal to 14 mod 9 will be equal to 5. It is again not equal to 1. I want something whose mode will be equal to 1. So if I am taking c equal to 3, 7 into 3 equal to 21 mod 9, the value will be 3, which is again not equal to 1. If I am taking c equal to 4, 7 into 4 equal to 28 mod 9, 28 mod 9, I will get 1. Yes, so now this is something where I am getting equal to 1. You are getting, right? So here in this case I am getting equal to 1, and my condition was I have to get equal to 1. So here I am getting equal to 1. So I can say that this case, this is C, like, right? So this is C, this is my valid C for which I am getting what I want. I am getting this multiplication mod 9 mod n equal to 1. I am getting 1. So I can say that C equal to 4 is correct. So what C equal to 4 is? C is, as I have told, 7 inverse. So what I will do is I will replace this 7 inverse with my value 4. Simple. So what it will become? X will be equal to, from here x will be equal to 6 into 7 inverse. In place of 7 inverse I will write 4 mod 9. So that is equal to 6 into 4, right? 36. 6 4s are 24. 6 into 4 is 24 mod 9. 24 mod 9 equal to 6. So this is the first value of x that we have got. Because as we know, our ultimate the question is finding x, or finding the value of x, the solution. So one solution that we got is x0 equal to 6. What I told is, here see, in the second step in the third step what we have found out that 2 means d mod n, we got 2. That means 2 solution exist. 2 solution exist means I have told you in that step that we will get 2 values of x. So x0 equal to 6 means already one value we got, x0 equal to 6, that we wanted, right? Now our last step is to find out second value of x. One value of x we already found out. Now second value of x. How we can find second value of x? In the equation, in the steps that we have discussed, the general equation of finding x is xk equal to x0 plus k into n by d. This was the general step of finding x. So here in this step x0, we are already having x0, that is 6, plus k. What we will take k? By default we will take k as 1 2 3. See, this is k. Now one x0 we got, the second one will be x1, right? We know that we have 2 solutions possible in this question. In case we were having 3 solutions, then we will get x0, x1, x2. But in this case only 2 solutions are possible, so we will get x0 and x1. So if this is 1, this is k, as you can see. So this k will also be equal to 1. Then n divided by t. In our case, in our question what we were having? A, B, n. So n was equal to 18. So n we have to take 18, and d in our question, d was d we have found out as 2, right? D equal to 2. So here we will get 2. Simple. So x1, this is equal to 6 plus 1 into 18 divided by 2 is 9, that is equal to 15. So you can say that x1 equal to 15. So 2 solutions are possible. One of them is x0 equal to 6. The second one is x1 equal to 15. So x and 15 are 2 values of x that we have found out. These are the 2 solutions. 6 and 15 are the 2 solutions of this particular question that we have solved. Okay, so this is an example that I have taken. In this example, almost all the steps are covered in detail. All the techniques are covered in detail. I have shown you how to find multiplicative inverse, the shortcut to find multiplicative inverse, right? I hope you have understood all the steps. In case you still have any doubt or you are stuck somewhere, please ask us in the comment section. I will try my best to help you out. Thank you.